Looking up your eyes, take a look at me. Get the picture fixed in your memory. I'm driven by the rhythm like a beat of a heart, and I won't stop until I start to stand out. Stand out. Some people settle for the typical thing, living all their lives waiting in the wings. It ain't a question of if, just a matter of time before I move to the front of the line. Once you watching every move that I make, you gotta believe that I got what it takes to stand out above the crowd, even if I gotta shout out loud. The man is the only face you'll see. Gotta stand out till you notice me. If the squeaky wheel's always getting the grease, I'm totally devoted to disturbing the peace. And I'll do it all again when I get done, until I become your number one. The method to the madness and no means to escape. Gonna break every rule, I bend them all out of shape. It ain't no question of how, just a matter of when. You get the message that I'm trying to send. I'm under a spell, I'm in over my head, and you know I'm going all of the way to the end. To stand out above the crowd, even if I gotta shout out loud. So mine is the only face you see. Gonna stand out till you notice me, yeah. If I can make you stop and take a look at me instead of just. There's nothing that I wouldn't do if it was getting you to notice. All I need is half a second glance to prove I got whatever it takes. It's a piece of cake to stand out above the crowd, even if I gotta shout out loud. The mind is the only face you'll see. Gotta stand out, hey, stand out, yeah, stand out. The mind is the only face you see. Gonna stand out till you notice me.